following their lifestyle. If you see a typical Jain, he will get up in the morning, okay, he will visit temple, he will feed some birds. जो birds होते हैं उनको कुछ देता है, ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा देगा. एक काऊ रहेगा, काऊ को कुछ खिलाएगा. एक गरीब आदमी रहेगा, उसको कुछ खिलाएगा. And possibly he will have also a plant at his house. What happens? He is in the process of giving. What happens? Universe gives him also. Okay? See, this is main thing. Like, you need to have kindness, you need to have harmony, you need to have empathize with the people around you. Small act of kindness every single day. Clear? Let's move ahead with the next slide. Only 10 minutes are remaining now. Okay, this is, I think we have done it. Okay, coming to the second process. I think this was the first visualization technique. About this technique, any doubts in the first visualization process, because we will be going to the second visualization process. Any doubt? We'll move ahead with the second. It is called as an emotional clearing technique. I think we have heard, right? कि जब पानी इकट्ठा होता है तो खराब होता है, but when the water is flowing, it is healthy. Similarly with human minds, human body, human thoughts, human emotion. Everybody has a piece of paper. Please take out a piece of paper, because I want you to do this activity. Every single person have to do this activity, and you'll feel the difference. Tear off करो, paper को tear off करो, because we'll be doing something with that paper. Okay? See, normally what happens, suppose if you are angry, okay, when you are angry, what happens? नहीं, वो हम बाहर कैसे निकालते गुस्से को? हाँ, गुस्से को बाहर कैसे निकालते? गाली दे के. Okay, और मार के. Bang something. What happens? We are hurting other, we are hurting ourselves also. I am giving you a technique जो pent up आपके negative emotions, frustration, depression, वो सब बाहर निकलेगा. And in a very easy way. It has to come out now, because if it doesn't come out, it will ruin you. Okay? On this piece of paper, write all your frustration and depressions. Every single thing. Suppose you don't like your mother-in-law, write it down. You don't like your husband, write it down. You don't like your wife, write it down. You don't like your boss, write it down. Anything, just let it come out. Don't feel shy, this paper will remain with you. Okay, paper मेरे पास नहीं आने वाला है, तो लिखो जो लिखना है. If you want to put a bad word, put it. गाली देना है, लिखो. Whatever. Let that entire dirt come out. लिखो. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Let that entire emotions जो जमा हुआ है for so many years, let it come out. Entire garbage come out. Take your time. What do you have to do with this paper? Tear it off. Pocket में रखोगे तो और बढ़ जाएगा. Either tear it off या इसको burn it off. Guys, possibly आप लोगों को लगेगा क्या है इतना सब simple, ये तो school children सब करते हैं. Okay, I'll give you an example. Say for example, if you visit to a doctor, okay, and the doctor says, "Yaar, your this particular triglyceride have increased, and because of that there is a whooping cough, and because of that for at least 3 days you will be having lymphosarcoma of nose." What will happen to you? उधर ही आधा वो खत्म हो जाएगा. There are some doctors जो एकदम बिल्कुल they don't smile also, as if like ये सामने वाला अब जाने वाला है. What happens? और अपना illness increase होता है. But suppose there is another doctor who say, "Don't worry, कुछ नहीं, ये गोली ले, 2 दिन में सर्दी है, कुछ नहीं है, नॉर्मल जुकाम है, 2 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा." What will happen? So life में always use KISS principle, okay? Not the Ibn Hashmi wala KISS. Keep it short and simple. Simple things are beautiful things in life. Simple techniques, easy to remember, easy to implement. Correct? तो अगेन इफ यू हैव टू डू इट फॉर 6 months, बिकॉज 2 दिन में कुछ चेंजेस नहीं होने वाले. यू कैन यूज एनी ऑफ दिस टेक्निक और यू कैन यूज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द टेक्निक्स. ओके, एनी डाउट्स इन दिस इमोशनल क्लियरिंग टेक्निक? एनी डाउट्स? No, let's go to feel this mantra. So again, third time we'll have to close the eyes to get the maximum benefit of this mantra. Please sit erect and close eyes. We'll be winding up this session. You can open your eyes and I'll explain you this mantra, what this mantra means. A very, very beautiful mantra from Rig Veda. Pardon? Yeah, I will, मैं आपको, मैं एक बार सुनाता हूँ आपको, but before I'll give an explanation and again we'll be doing the smiling meditation. Someone else will read out this slide. Anybody? Any volunteers? I want someone to read out this slide. You'll read it out? Yeah, please read it out. सुखिनः. निरामय. पश्यन्तु. भद्राणि. मा. Any sorrow inducing thoughts while they remain beneficiary of good fortune. Very simple. I should be happy, I should be peaceful, and let every single living being on this earth, every single living being, humans, animals, everybody, be peaceful. See, in fact, this is a Western concept, survival of the fittest. I should win, बाकी लोग गए तो चलेगा, मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं. And this is a concept which slowly and steadily we Indians are taking it from the Western country. We should take good things from them. Computer is a good thing, but this survival, competition is a bad thing. Compete with yourself, ना? अपने आप के साथ compete करो. Say for example, if I am doing 10 rounds of dumbbells today, I should try to do 12 tomorrow. Compete with yourself. It's good for you. Don't compete with others. See, this, whosoever must have designed it, because again this Rishi was so great that he did not give his name to this mantra. Okay, these Vedas, Rig Vedas, Yajur Vedas, all this is a culmination of so many thought processes of so many Rishis who never gave their name. अपना नाम नहीं दिया. Nowadays, patent, हर चीज के लिए patent. मैंने किया. Good, but not very good. Okay, it's very simple that I should be happy, I should be peaceful. And when we are doing this smiling meditation, I'll explain to you. Smile when you are doing it, and अंदर से feel करो that every single person should be happy, because when the surrounding is happy, automatically you are happy. Try it out for 6 months. Okay, this is a very beautiful CD which you get it at Rhythm House also, because ये छोटा सा clipping है, इसमें आप repeat नहीं कर पाओगे. It is of Ravi Shankar, Peace Mantra by Ravi Shankar. You'll get it at Rhythm House anywhere. Okay, there is a very beautiful film which is called as Eat, Pray, Love. People who are fond of English movie can go and watch that movie. Very good movie. Okay, वहाँ से मैंने वो concept उठाया smiling meditation का. It's there at I think Sterling, New Excelsior, सब जगह पे लगा. You can get it on the paper. There is a good book called as Eat, Pray and Love. It is a story of a lady who was very depressed in her life, and it's a real life story. बहुत ज़्यादा depressed थी, and she was an US citizen. High competition, high depression, high frustration, high blood pressure, unhappy in life. So she decides to visit 3 places. She decides to visit Italy, India and Indonesia. Italy, it's like happy people. India, spiritual people. Third, it's a healing place. Indonesia. She goes to Bali, and there is a person who is 100-year-old. It's a real life, but he looks like a 55-year-old. Ketut करके उसका नाम है. Okay, and I've heard that the picturization is very good. In fact, I had